Tired of wondering where all your time went? Clockify's screen recording feature might be the game-changer you've been waiting for, offering a visual layer of accountability to your time tracking. First, let's make sure you're on the right plan. The screen recording functionality is available in the standard plan or higher. Head to your Clockify workspace settings to confirm your subscription. Next, navigate to the settings section of your Clockify workspace. Look for screen recording and make sure the feature is enabled with the toggle button. You might need administrator privileges to do this. To use the screen recording, you'll need the Clockify desktop app installed. Make sure you download and install it from the Clockify website. Once installed, open the app and log in. When you start your timer in the Clockify app, you'll notice a small indicator confirming that screen recording is active. Your screen activity is now being recorded periodically. Usually every few minutes. This is only active while the timer is running. After you stop the timer, the recorded screen activity is available within the corresponding time entry. You can view the screenshots or a screen recording playback directly within Clockify, providing valuable context on the tasks performed during that time. This visual context allows for better project management oversight, easier verification of time logged, and improved team accountability. It's a powerful way to bridge the gap between time tracking and actual work performed. Now you can track your time accurately and hold team members accountable with this feature.